Whether you're just settling in after a long day or you're just craving a little indulgence, today we are going to be crafting the ultimate hot chocolate. One that's rich, creamy, and comforting in all the right ways. This hot chocolate is more than just a drink. It's an entire experience. So grab your favorite mug, snuggle in, and let's make this night extra special. For the best results, start out with some good 70% dark chocolate if you can get it. We're going to use about 2 ounces or around 55 grams. If you can't find that, semi-sweet chocolate chips will work in a pinch. Using a knife, cut up the chocolate into small pieces and set it aside for a moment. To make this easy to mix, grab a mason jar and add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you can adjust that up or down if you like. A little pinch of salt will bring out that gorgeous chocolate flavor. Now we'll need about 2.5 cups of milk. I'm going to pour half of it in just to make things easier to mix, and I'm using regular milk, but you can use whatever you like. Almond milk, oat milk, it's all good. Now we're just going to put the lid on and give it a really good shake. Once it's all combined, take off the lid and add the rest of the milk. That's all the ingredients, and now we're just going to heat it all up. Pour everything into a saucepan set over medium heat and stir it gently until it's hot. This should only take 2 or 3 minutes. Add in the chocolate that we chopped up and stir it until it's melted, being careful so that it doesn't scorch. After a few minutes, you'll see that the hot chocolate has thickened, and when it coats the back of the spoon, you'll know it's done. Now pour this lovely elixir into your favorite cup. I think I want a topping for this, so I'm going to froth up some milk and add some sprinkles for some fun. A perfect winter warm-up. This tastes nothing like your regular hot chocolate. It's decadent, rich, creamy. You can add a little bit of vanilla in here or some cinnamon if you want, but there's no pressure. This is perfect just as it is. Now you can serve this delicious hot chocolate a number of different ways. You can pour some in a mug and top it off with hot coffee for a fabulous wintertime mocha. Or you can serve it up on a tray with a side of some orange liqueur for a lovely evening treat. Now your hot chocolate is made and it looks amazing, but let's take it up a notch. How you enjoy it is just as important as how you made it. Get the perfect ambiance going. Grab your coziest blanket and settle into your favorite chair. Maybe light a few candles, and if you're in the mood for a movie, pick something you've watched 1,000 times before and that you know will make you smile. Maybe a Christmas classic or a feel-good comedy. That's the secret to a great hot chocolate experience. Comfort, predictability, and a little bit of nostalgia. Or maybe you're a reader, so pair your hot chocolate with that book you've been meaning to read for months, or a cozy mystery, or some other old favorite. Life moves so fast, but moments like these, they remind us to appreciate the now and savor those little moments. The other really great thing about this recipe is if you have leftovers or you make a big batch of this warmth and joy, it stores really well in the fridge for up to a week, so it'll be ready for you the next time you have a craving for some of that cocoa comfort. Now you might be wondering why I serve it in a 2-ounce espresso cup instead of a regular size mug. And that's because it is so decadent and rich. It's like a dessert in and of itself, and you only need a small amount. The other thing I love about hot chocolate is that it's not just a seasonal sip. It's a reminder that life doesn't have to be so rushed. It's about slowing down, finding comfort in the small things, and appreciating the beauty of those those quiet moments. And sometimes life can feel like the perfect cup of hot chocolate. Warm, a little bittersweet, with just a little touch of sweetness to make it all worthwhile. So sip it slowly, enjoy the coziness, because life is too short to rush through the good stuff. So if you love this hot chocolate recipe, share it with a loved one who might need a little extra warmth this season. And let me know your perfect way of enjoying hot chocolate, whether it's a special ingredient you use or a charming tradition. Until next time, stay warm, stay cozy, and make time for those little moments of joy.